blinked and the shark took me out. Come on, Mike. There he is. There she is. There she is. There she is. Beautiful. 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 Look at that tunas. Boom!
Let's go!
Right inside the boat. Right inside the boat. What's up, Mike?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? Show them what you got. Show them what you got. Look, we got, guys, we got the reward too over there. Look, nobody's doing shit. Nobody. We just came out here and busted up this big ass tunas. Look at that. These people over here just looking at us. They're like, we want to be on their boat. Oh, what's going on? We're over here doing inspections on an airplane. We've been here since 4 o'clock in the morning so we can go fishing. Try to be out there by noon. Welcome to our office. This is living the dream. Michael and I were working together so we can get out and do some fishing today. So we could get maybe tuna and maybe some swordfish. As a matter of fact, I haven't talked to King Triton nor Little Mermaid, so I didn't get anything back from them last night. What's up, guys? So we're doing something different today. We're actually going to be cooking first. We're going to cook up lunch so we could take it on the boat, on the wet and slippery there. Because we're going to do a afternoon swordfish bite today. Swordfish bite today in the afternoon, so we're changing things around. There's Michael right there. Michael's rolling in with his nice boots. So that's what we're doing today. We're changing it up. First we're going to cook, then we're going to go out and catch a swordfish in the afternoon today. Boom. So guys, once you flip it over, you get this little pico de gallo. Basically, it's all your ingredients on there. Tomatoes, your onions, your cilantro, you know. So put it right over the top of the mahi, you know. So that way it's cooking in its own juices. Look at that. Matter of fact, that could be right there a thumbnail. Let me just keep it straight up like that. Boom. That could be my thumbnail. Anyways, it's a little bit raw still in the middle, but it's working. Good. You know what? Just put everything on it. Why not? So Michael's out there setting up the boat, and we're out there cooking at the same time. We are reversing things today. Boom. Catch the get the afternoon fish, swordfish bite, and do the cooking first before we go fishing. Living the dream, explained. I'm out. The thing with mahi is that you have to cook it all the way through. Yes, gotta cook mahi all the way through because it has parasites. Microscopic, but they do have parasites. So don't ever eat mahi for ceviche or sashimi, right? It's got parasites. That's all I have to say. I'm out. So yeah, guys, so we're over here setting up the boat. We're setting up the wet and slippery. We were putting out the electric rod today. I mean the Tentacom 1000, maybe for some deep drops. So we're setting up the boat. It's actually 10 o'clock in the morning. You already saw that we're cooking up food so that we could take us actually backwards today. We're cooking before we go fishing. Normally we go fishing and then we do the cooking. All right, setting up the boat. Boom. That's all I have to tell you right now. So there's the trailer right here. That's the truck right there. We're gonna connect to disconnect our minds, bodies, and souls today. There's Mike over there bringing up the engine. And yes, of course, have an American flag here on our little carport thingy. and we have a horseshoe because that's good luck. So that's the trick. So today's theme is gonna be living the dream explained. Yes, sir. Living the dream explained, and trust me, it comes with a lot of inconvenience, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. We're out. What's up, guys? You know, we love her, but she's got a drinking problem. She's got a drinking problem, but we love her anyways, right? Right, Mike? You know, there you go. We're out. Mike on operations over there. So we're putting the wet and slippery on the boat again without using the boat ramp and saving the trailer. Yep. It's right now 11:30 in the morning. Heading out for the swordfish afternoon bite. I'm out. We're out. Afternoon swordfish. We're gonna get some fresh bait first. Some hopefully some blackfin tuna, jigging for that, some bonito. Use the belly and give it to them fresher than they can catch it themselves. That's a challenge right there. I'm out. Guys, this is getting too fast, too soon, too serious. I just had a nice ass tuna got taken out by a big ass bull shark. Here's Mikey. Mikey's doing well, he knows how to do second best. Right here. We're trying to get some blackfin tunas and some bonitas so we could use the baits for the swordfish today. Come on, Mike, you can do it. You're more than the shark. Took me out. I just blinked and the shark took me out. Come on, Mike. There he is, there she is. Beautiful. Look at that tunas. Boom!
Let's go!
Right inside the boat. What's up, Mike? What's up? Show them what you got. Look, we got the reward too over there. Look, nobody's doing shit. We just came out here and busted up this big ass tunas. Look at that. These people over here just looking at us. They're like, we want to be on their boat. Oh, our boat. They want to be on our boat. Yeah. Mike, congratulations. We got fresh bellies for the swordfish bite afternoon. Boom, we got another boat right here. He's a spectaculator. I'm out. So guys, over here we have the tuna inside the cooler where the water's at and then the beer's at. And so, you know, real fishermen drink water with flavoring fish. Real fishermen do. My water, it's got blood on it. That's what we're talking about. Come on. Swimming beautiful. Look at that. What's going on, guys?
What's up?
So we made it. Well, we got that tuna. Used the belly for bait, and you shall see in a second. So right now she's there, half a mile down to the bottom of the ocean with a 12-pound weight, and we're hoping that she's going to turn into a big old swordfish. I mean, that bait has never seen a refrigerator, a freezer, or anything other than the ocean. So this is our spread right now. We got a rod here, and we got a rod over here on the other side, and we got some squids, so that maybe we could attract some mahis too while we are here. Well, anyways, just remember how you guys saw our little fish fry in the barbecue a little while ago with the mahi that we caught the other day on Saturday. So watch this. So we got the mahi here. Everything goes on a Ziploc bag on the boat. The mahi here with the little tomato, salsa, pico de gallo thing. You gotta have the the plantain chips. And then you got your whole wheat bread, because at the end of the day, we're trying to keep it healthy. All right, so we'll see you guys in a little bit and let you know, to continue the theme of the day about living the dream, explain. So we're going to elaborate a little bit about that later. You know what I'm waiting for. You know what we're waiting for. And I know you're waiting for the same thing too. I'm out. Mahi sandwich. Now watch how. Oh, Michael's busy right now. Let me see Mike. Michael puts the plantain chips inside there. Make it more interesting. How about that? All right. There you go. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. Afternoon bite. So we did go to work today in the morning for 3 hours from 7 to 10, and make some money because the boat and the engine doesn't run on water. It runs on gasoline, so somebody's got to pay for the gas. So then that's it. We said, okay, let's take this beautiful day, let's take advantage of it. Let's go do some swordfish, you know, and that's where we're at right here. You'll see. Hopefully with that big old rod right there, it gets bent over sometime soon. Let you know. Be on the lookout. Well, our tuna belly got chewed up by a swordfish. So no swordfish right now. We still got another hour before the sunset. So we get that sunset swordfish again. Trying to anyways. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ocean out here. Finally for a change. Beautiful ocean. Just the only ones out here is just us. Boom. Come on. Guys, our minutes here are counted. It's sunset and we're waiting for that swordfish bite. You're probably wondering what's that chirping. That chirping is this rod right here. When we let go of the line, it chirps like that. Yep. The time here is counted. If we get hooked up to a big swordfish, we could be here till midnight. And right now it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon, Miami, Florida time. All right. Major's fingers crossed for us, guys. Come on. We could count on you. I'm out. Yep. It's like oil out here, guys. But now we got the storm building up, of course. And we did not get our swordfish. But we're still persistent as hell. We have 2,047 feet of line out, and we're still waiting, and we're gonna have to put the lights on in a little bit. Still waiting. Our seconds here are counted. All right, we're out. Well, guys, it's that time of night. Not even daylight no more. We got the lights on. Yeah, red light district. Yeah, exactly. So we had to change things up today a lot. Like we cooked the mahi and we prepped the bowl so we could do the afternoon thing instead of fishing and then doing the dinner thing. But now we got the pastelitos, see, and the cafe con leche. We did have to change this up a little bit because in the afternoon they ran out of the guava and cheese pastelitos, so then we had to go with the all tropical coconut pastelito. It's all good. I'm not gonna hate. Talk to you guys later. Let me look. We got the lights on already, and we still waiting for that bite now at nighttime. Who does that? We'll be leaving in a little bit though. We hope, or not. Some cutting skills for a blackfin tuna, and eventually it's gonna turn into sashimi, sushi, seared tuna. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. I may have to cut some of this video off. I may not. We'll see. Mom.
On to you. That's uncomfortable as hell. Look where it ended up anyways, right?
Anyways, been real nice, guys. Thank you for coming on the boat with us today. And when we caught that tuna, and the theme of the day was living the dream explained. Hope we explained it to you a little bit. You guys live your dream, live our dream, we'll live dream together. Wow.